dudes, I'm Asmita, a 6th-year medical student studying in Tbilisi, Georgia. Today's video is gonna be regarding another unboxing of one of my order. I love making unboxing videos and I love watching them, so I hope you enjoy this video. So let's begin. The brand I'm gonna be unboxing is the Plum Goodness brand, and I absolutely love their skincare and body care range. Mostly their body care range. I'm like a big fan of it. I have been using it since like 2019 or 20 something, since they have launched. I have tried out most of their product and I will be talking about one of my most favorite one of them. So let's begin now. But as you can see, the halat of this box is not so good. That's because my brother opened it when it arrived, because I was not in India that time. So my brother had to open it, like someone in the family had to open it, and my mom gave my brother the job and he literally butchered the box. So yeah, we had to check if all the products were in right condition, so we had to open it before I came back home. So now let's see all the products and I'll show you and talk about each one of them. To begin with, it was their birthday, I guess, their 6th. Wait a minute, I have gotten a card which I have still not opened, which will tell us which birthday. It's the 10th birthday bash. Yeah, it was their birthday offers that were going on, and they were like huge offers. So I got literally 10 to 13 products in 1300 or 1400 something, which is such a big steal, to be honest. So let's see what this little envelope consists of. By the way, our special guest is sitting right here with us. I love taking her in my videos. She's just so adorable. I'm like, people might not see me, but people will actually look at her. So, yeah. We have gotten a refrigerator magnet. This was a freebie. It says great skin is like a perfect recipe. It all starts with the right ingredients. We will stick it on the refrigerator after a while. The next thing in this color is, I think, a small letter. These are all the coupon codes. I had no clue I had coupon codes for Plum. Let's begin with my most favorite loved product ever. This is the Body Loving Body Oil of Vanilla Vibes variant, and I can't explain you the feeling after applying this. This is the most moisturizing, non-sticky, by the way. It does not stick, and it's the best thing to apply during winters when I have a like scaly and dry skin. This just repairs it all, and it's like, it smells the best. It does not go away for like at least throughout the day. Yeah, throughout the day I'm gonna be smelling like a cupcake because of this thing. This is something which people usually can gatekeep, but I won't. So yeah, if you like smelling like a bakery, do give it a try. I got 2 of these because I'm gonna be going back to Tbilisi in a month, and this is like my 6 months restock. This is not the only thing that I've gotten, so let me show you. This is the second product that I've got. This is the kojic acid body lotion, 1% kojic acid, and it's for like suntan and sunburn kind of repair lotion thingy. So let's see if it does help me with my tanning, because recently I've gone on a trek. If you have seen like my recent travel vlog regarding a trek, so you will know what I'm talking about. I have gotten all skin burn, my legs and my hands. So let's see if this works, cause I really wanna get rid of this tan so badly. It will take some time. Okay, I'll have to remove this now. I should have done this before. It's thick. Yeah, it's citrusy and not bad though. Like far better than Aquash fragrance, which I am not a big fan of. It got up far. It's non-sticky. and it smells nice. So yeah, let's see if this helps me with my suntan. Moving on to the next product. So the next product, again, this is my recent favorite and I'm not exaggerating about it. This is like the best smelling body lotion in my entire life that I've ever tried. Like so good. It is the Vanilla Caramello body lotion with cocoa butter. Oh my god, it's so hydrating, and I have already like tried out the mini version of it because I got that as a freebie. I have almost finished it up, and then I opened up the other one that I have gotten. So I got two of these and I already have opened it and used it pretty much, as you can see. Yeah, it does smell heavenly and it has same kind of smooth texture. It's non-sticky. Let me show you. I've tried out so many products on my hand right now. See? It just disappears. It's smooth, it's lightweight, and it has such a creamy texture. It's hydrating and it does not like leave any cast or stickiness on your hand, and it smells epic, you guys. It smells epic. So I got this cute little pouch which had all these products inside of these, and this is such an adorable thing. It's so nice for me to carry it in my luggage while I'm traveling back to Tbilisi. The next product is this tiny freebie that I have gotten. These consist of 3 tubes, one of which is a pore cleansing face wash. Love face washes, never can go wrong with them. Rice water and niacinamide clear moisturizer gel cream. I love rice water and niacinamide. I have gotten just a niacinamide like Dot and Key moisturizer as well. So I guess we are high on niacinamide right now. So this is a mini version, and the Cica and Cica and niacinamide nowadays, right? Cica and hyaluronic acid aqua light sunscreen. This is mini sunscreen and I've tried out Plum sunscreen before. They are quite good. So I'm pretty excited to try out the hyaluronic acid variant. Chichi. Then the pore cleansing face wash. And the last one is the rice and wow. The last one is this rice and niacinamide moisturizer. I can try it out at the night time and see how this one goes. Because in the morning I'm so hooked up on my Dot and Kika moisturizer. But if this works out well as well, we can get it in the bigger size. Okay. This is the product that I have already opened up because I was so excited to try it out. So if like they were good smelling and like suited me, I could purchase the bigger versions of it. So these one consist of body wash, a body lotion and a perfume. So as you can see, I have used up all the lotion inside of it. Like there's nothing left. I've squeezed every ounce of it outside. And this is the mini perfume that I got. It's in the, it won't focus. Focus. It's a smoking vanilla fragrance. It has a nice spicy note in it and it smells just like vanilla. Their vanilla range body mist and body perfumes. It has the same kind of fragrance to it with little bit of spice kind of note in it. And I gotta tell you, I was pretty shocked. I did not think I would love this. I loved it more than the Vanilla Vibes perfume, to be honest. I don't know why. It's just something different, and yeah, would love to get a bigger version of it, but I'm actually gonna get the Vanilla Caramello one. It's the body wash Vanilla Vibe variant. It's so mini. Just 15 ml one. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna finish it up in one wash or something. But yeah, let's try it out. I'm not one who splurges a lot of money on body washes, shower gels as such. But if this is nice, I can purchase a bigger one. But not for now, because I can't take a lot of products with me because of luggage limit. And shower gel are one of the things that you get quite often everywhere. So it's not necessary I gotta purchase this one right here. But yeah, I would love to try it out and I will review it. The third freebie I got I swear to God, I got so many freebies. This is the green tea renewed clarity night gel. I used this quite a lot during COVID phase. This was the only night moisturizer that I used, and it was such a good lightweight moisturizer. It had no extra fragrance and it don't irritate my skin. So I'm pretty excited. I have a mini version of it just in case to travel with it. Just keep it in the pouch, and yeah, I love that I got this mini versions. I can use them up on my traveling. You know, when you have like 10-12 hours flight, not like a lot of time, just once or twice a year, but yeah, this can come pretty handy in that situations. Mini toiletries and mini pouches. Moving on to a full size product that I purchased. This one is from their cosmetic range. It's their soft, sweet tongue twist. Okay. It's their soft swirl lip gloss. It has like these swirls inside of it, and I can't wait to open it up and swatch it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it right now because I'm gonna make like a video regarding this swatch, but we can definitely open it up so you can see it clearer. See what I'm talking about? So pretty, right? I can't imagine what the shade is gonna be like. Let's open it up. Pinky. I mean, I guess I will have to like mix it up and see what the shade becomes. So once I make the video, I will upload it and you can see. So the next product that I did not purchase is again a freebie. Can you believe me the amount of freebies that I have received? Even I can't believe this. But this is one freebie that I'm not so happy about because I don't have this skin issue, and I'm gonna probably try this out on my body instead of my face. This is the Cica and Azelaic acid face serum. It fights acne for dry and sensitive skin. I do have kind of sensitive skin. Eventually during the winter and when during the monsoon my skin gets pretty sensitive. So this might come to use to me, but again I don't really have active acne currently, and I hope I never do anymore. So yeah, this is a product which probably might not come to use to me, but I can try it on for my back acne. It's not a lot, just a little bit, so let's see. But it's again one of the big size freebie, to be honest, not a miniature one that I have gotten. So yeah, this is the one that I have got. It's such a pretty shade, guys. The bottle, not to say that. The bottle shade is so nice. It's a glass bottle. It has 10% azelaic acid. It's for acne, of course. And the last one more product that I told you about, I'm gonna be repurchasing the bigger version of it. So this is how big it is. You guys, I think probably I will finish it up in a 1 month or 2 months. That's how much I have loved this product. It's like my staple favorite now. It's gonna be always there on my vanity. Always. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching my another unboxing video. I love you guys and thank you for being like part of my channel in some way or another. So if you made it this far, do leave me a like, comment and share this video with the people who love skincare and love unboxing videos just like you and me. And do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.